So shiny. It's very attractive. There are people that have hundreds of different belt
they're
buckles.
basically like a trophy. Now this one right there, this was important. I don't know. You have to look at it.
Oh, this is nice too.
Okay. I know I did see that.
This is nice.
Yeah.
This
and
is
underneath is from Holland, you know.
I'll get that in just a second. Wow.
You can lift it up.
Made in Holland. Wow. That gives a much better idea of what it's used for. Now I knew it's made in Holland.
Maybe it's me. See, I gotta get my cataract.
Can't even see.
You barely can see it. Barely. I thought I see. I know there's something there. I just don't know what it is. Maybe it's the name of something, you know?
Yep.
Bill in the mail, 260. So whatever they have done up there, I don't have no, and it's kind of scary to have my cataracts out. That is 10.
This is nice too.
You know
Well,
what
I'll
I'm
tell you,
saying?
they made the coolest stuff years ago.
Yeah, they did. Isn't that awesome? I don't think it's anything, but I liked it.
I used to have a Hero harmonica.
Did you?
Yeah, I was pretty good at it. Well, I thought I was.
They had the Burger King and they was done.
Nice Fender guitar.
Oh wow, right? Something like that. August. This is possible. Pair of earrings. Oh, is it? I didn't even know. Nothing. Yeah, it's a real one. So did we find anything? Did I do anything?